Need to withdraw from your retirement account? Here's how. Click into your Account Overview and select the Retirement Plan Portfolio tab. Here, you can check your savings pot available balance. Click Withdraw Money to proceed. Your savings pot available balance will show your total accessible value. Uninvested funds will show the amount that's available immediately. Please note that withdrawals are only permitted once a year, updating annually on the 1st of March. If your requested withdrawal is more than the amount under the uninvested funds field, you can simply sell from your investment holdings first. Once sold, repeat steps 1 and 2. Please add your tax number under Take Details if it has not been listed on your profile. Next, under Transaction Summary, select your income bracket. You'll get an estimate of how much tax you will need to pay and the amount after tax has been deducted. Remember, tax estimates may differ based on SARS directives. Next, confirm your bank details and click Withdraw. After SARS approves the directive, funds will be transferred to your SatrixNOW account, where it will appear as cash to invest. Visit our help center for more information. Satrix. Own the market.